What's going on, YouTube? Okay, so we have here a Keurig K150. This is a commercial grade unit, and you can actually hard plumb it via these lines behind here into the wall. So here's the problem. I got this for free because it stopped working for my coworker, and the problem is this. Turn it on, and it's going to get stuck at take out the water reservoir, fill it, replace it. So what's going on with this, I found out, is there's supposed to be a little float device that goes right here. And then that has like a little metal disc that reflects back to this infrared sensor. So, as a quick little fix, or hack if you want to call it that, took some tape, there's some tin foil from the kitchen. I'm going to stick it on here like this. And now it thinks that everything's all good to go. Surprisingly enough, the water level still actually works with that float being missing. Anyways, hope this helps get you guys some coffee in the mornings for those of you who need it, and for either a dirty, bad, or missing float.